What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to the hottest jump rope HIIT workout on the internet, peeps. I'm here with my strength and conditioning coach, Joey Scott.
What's cracking, my people?
Big up, Joey. Basically, guys, this is the #1 workout on YouTube right now. You've got basically a lot of expertise here. You've got Joey, who will just kill us with the body weight, and you've got myself, of course, who's going to be giving you killer skipping workouts and getting you flying like bosses. So listen, we'll get straight into this. Early morning. We missed last week as well, by the way, bro. It was supposed to be every single week, and we got busy again. To be fair, I got busy. The launch, by the way, was insane, people. So if you got involved, if you haven't got involved, just check out the website right now. Fresh apparel, fresh products. Like, you guys are crushing it, and you smashed it on the weekend. So thank you so much if you got involved. Also, leave us a comment down below. Let us know you're following this workout. And yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it, man. 10 minutes of killer body weight and skipping exercises coming your way. Let's do this. Right, folks, welcome back. So I've got my interval timer ready. This is going to be a 10-minute HIIT workout. Very simple, follow along. 1 minute of skipping, followed by 1 minute of bodyweight exercises, and then a little bit of rest here and there. But just follow along, people. I don't know how I'm going to get on. I've been struggling with Joey, man. He's been surprising me with some horrible workouts, but let's try this. All right, here we go. 1 minute of warm up even. Boxer step here. Boxer step, yeah. If you can't do the boxer step at home, people, just want you to just basic bounce it right now. We just want to be basically staying light on our feet. Balls of your feet, heels up. Chest over the rope. A good tip as well, guys, is in all your warm-ups, you just go slow, not too fast, nothing too crazy. Get your breathing right. We're just trying to get the blood moving, right? That's all. Get the rhythm moving. Right. 10 more seconds. Just simple boxer step. This is a really nice warm up. Normally we go one arm swings and all this, but today we're just going to set up with a little boxer step. 2, 1. All right, 30 seconds. Rest quickly. What we're going to do, guys, is we went super intense last time. I don't know what you're going to install for us today.
Tone it down a bit today.
Are we going to try and tone it down?
Yeah,
maybe.
A little, maybe.
We'll see.
Depends how I'm feeling.
You smashed me up last time, man. Right, for skipping today, last time I was focused on leg conditioning, okay? Today I'm going to be trying to get in a bit more tricks. So we're going to try and do a little bit more tutorials with the skipping. So right, we're going to go start with a double cross, right? So it's like this, though. So it's boom. Yeah? So you can go 1, 2. You tried that before? Yeah, nice. So peeps, you can mix this with a boxer step. I like to move into the move with a side swing. Or you can move it with a run, and then it's side swing, cross, cross. Side swing, cross, cross. But either way, boxer or run, we're just getting some feel. Crossing nice and big at the elbows. And a good tip is when you're doing the second cross, 1, 2, it's all in the wrist. You're going to try and fire the wrist forward. Nice and quick to keep the revolutions fast. Last 8 seconds. Joe, you ready? What we get into?
So, plyo lunges.
Plyo
Lunges with a squat. So 1, 2.
Oh, you see how he's doing me already? He's right.
Nice. Good. 1, 2. Good. Nice and low. Aim of this exercise, guys, keep your back nice and straight.
Last one. What's next? That's different, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so 1, 2, down. So oblique twist. 1, 2, down.
There's some new ones.
1, 2, down. Great for the obliques. My legs are still killing me till Thursday. A sick leg session on Thursday. So twist. Obliques.
Break. Good work, good work. I don't know where my sound is on this. lost the sound.
What's the sound?
Oh, it's good. That was good. Right.
Back into skipping.
Gear ropes again. That was nice, bro. I like that.
Like that one.
That's good, that's good. Okay. This one, we're gonna try. Hopefully you can try to do the Southpaws opens, yeah, with a run. So if you try them, maybe not. I tell you what, you start with a running cross, like this.
Alright.
And I'm gonna show them this one. So we're just gonna do, you can do this at home. Running Southpaws. Joey's gonna hit the running crossovers. This one's about timing, alright? If you haven't tried this before, 1, 2, open. So you're open from both sides now. Side swing open from both sides. Now make sure you try and keep that lead hand open. Lead hand on top, which is gonna open the rope. Keep it separated. So you separate here, and then open. Separate here, open.
You made this look so easy.
This one takes a bit of time. Otherwise, just go into a running crossover. 8 more seconds, good. Nice. Get set, bro. Alright, next one. Body weight.
Guys, so we're going to be working the core. So we're just going to be doing this. So you're working the triceps along with core. Yeah, this is the modified, so if you want to go more advanced.
Oh, nah. Mate,
If you've got that in you guys,
what am I doing here?
you can bang it out like that.
How you doing that?
Yeah. So,
Oh, yeah.
so for the modified guys,
Mate, that look easy, mate.
yeah.
Alright, next one. What's the next one?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So straight onto our bellies. So we're going to be doing butterfly strokes.
Oh, oh shit.
Over. This is great for the rhomboids. If you've got weights, guys, you can use weights.
Are your legs off the ground at the back?
You can put them up. So if you put them up, that's working the glutes and lower back.
Yeah.
But if you're a beginner, you can put them down. Yeah.
It's good, bro. And rest.
And rest.
This app is working bookie today.
They say no noise.
No noise.
No sound.
That was good. That was good. I like that.
Doing the mind of its own today.
Yeah. Okay.
How'd that one? Felt good on the shoulders, didn't
Man,
it?
how did you, that was so hard. You made it look easy, man. When I was looking, I was like, that looks right. So, no, don't be hard there. Whew. All right, peeps. Next one, we're going to double unders. Right, 2 double unders, 2 side swings, 3 double unders, 3 side swings, 4 double unders, 4 side swings. That's 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, side swings are just there to just get your breath back. I'm gonna go 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 side swings. 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna go 8. 1.
Hey, let me do my 8.
There you go. Nice. Alright, what's body weight, bro? Get straight in. A few seconds lost.
Alright guys, we're going to go into some planks. So Spider-Man planks. Working them obliques. Good. Crunch. Crunch. Crunch.
A few more seconds.
Good.
What's the next one?
Alright guys, so here we're going to go into some glute. So up, over, hip flexors, up, down,
Yeah.
over, hip flexors, yeah? So
Yeah.
up, down, over, circle motion, back over.
Next leg.
Next leg,
Up,
down,
down, over.
over, back over, up. So this is great for the hip flexors and glutes, guys.
Alright, a few more seconds. We're in our break, but we'll do a few more.
Yeah?
This is really nice. One more.
Up,
This was good, I ain't gonna lie.
Over.
All right,
Good.
and break. That was nice. I like that. Woo! Joey's mixing up, people. Hope you are enjoying this one.
Tone it down.
I'm sweating already.
Tone it down from last week.
Yeah, it's nice. All right, you've hit the crosses, you've hit the doubles. We now need to hit slow squat jumps, all right?
Oh.
Slow squat jumps. You want to try and go. Oh, the buzzer's back. All right. Right. So this is too fast. If you go like this, too fast. We're gonna slow it down.
This one is a killer.
Slow it real down. Give you enough time to get low. Straight back. Chest over the rope or in front. Back nice and straight, yeah. If you feel like you're getting too quick like this, you're not gonna get the burn you want. So you're gonna try and control the rope by your fingertips. Yeah? Fingertips on the handles. Yeah? Even index finger and just thumb. Don't worry about your arcs looking a bit weird. We're just trying to keep that rope slow. This is a burner, man. Last few seconds. And done. That's there, we're doing, bro.
So we're doing walkouts.
Walkouts.
And when you get to the walkout, leg raise.
Both sides.
Yeah. Then walk back up.
Nice.
Yeah. So down, nice straight back when you come up. Nice straight legs working the hamstrings. 1, 2. Yeah.
One more. Try speaking. Go to the next exercise straight away.
Good. Swing here. And go for some core work. Elbow to knees. There. There. Here. So elbow to knee. Left elbow to right knee. Right elbow to left knee.
Mate. Break time. I don't know what's going on with this buzz, I can't even hear it. Whew. There's a water. Guys, it's a killer. What cycle are you on?
That 4. Is it?
I don't know, you know. Last one left. Rope in hand. Let's do this.
4, yeah?
Yeah, last one. It's gone right in it. Right. Run. Skip. With a side swing. Then with a cross. Until time. So run. Side swing. Side swing. Cross. Yeah.
Run.
So run with a side swing. Then do the cross after. So here, run.
Yeah.
Side swing. Keep running. Now side swing cross.
So run.
Side swing. Keep running. Yeah.
That one's a bit tricky for me.
So run.
Side swing.
Just keep running. Now side swing cross. Last few. 3, 2, 1. That's tough. What's the next one?
Okay. We're going some post squats. Nice and low.
Oh, mate.
Nice and low. Lower rush.
Oh,
That's the one. Oh, nice straight back, guys.
5 more seconds. Oh, next one.
Good. Bear hold. Just here. I'm just gonna dive into it.
What's this madness?
So this is good for your shoulder. So it's like you're doing a forward press up, holding it in the bear hold. Forward. Hold. Forward. Good. So you wanna go forward like that? Yes. That's the one. Go. Hold. So good for the core and upper body.
And that's done. Bro. Kill me, mate.
Is that the workout completed, yeah?
Workout complete. Right, folks, so not easy. Joey again bringing the fire.
2 to 3 rounds. Beginners, what would you say beginners? 2 rounds.
They can get through 5, man.
5, innit?
Get through it.
Get through it.
Get
Even
through
if
it.
it takes you a bit longer, try and have 5 seconds rest, 5 minutes rest in between sets.
Yeah, defo, just get it done. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick workout. Only 10 minutes of your day, people. Imagine when you go to the toilet, when you're on or at the bus stop or on some bench, you're taking 10 minutes looking at Instagram, messing around, scrolling. 10 minutes, get this done.
Straight.
At least. So we're gonna see that next video. Don't forget, fresh ropes are coming online in a couple of weeks. We've already got the fresh apparel. Need you guys to support, so use YouTube 10 for 10% discount. I'm dying, can't talk, so I'm gonna see you in that next video. Say bye, Joey.
Peace out, peoples.
So without further ado, take care of yourself. Let's get the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.